Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 70 reg Peugeot 308. 70 reg Peugeot 308. Diamond cut alloy wheels, remote central locking, rear parking sensors, in a nice metallic mauve colour. Front parking sensors as well. Side airbags, panoramic roof, real nice extra. Locking wheel nut key there. Isofix rear seats. Rear parking sensors. Large boot area with a spare wheel. Quite a rarity now. Electric rear windows as well. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. Height adjustable driver's seat. There has auto lights, also auto wipers. Here's the key. Manual 6-speed gearbox there, as you can see. 12-volt power outlet USB, electronic handbrake. Got this pocket here, nice little pocket here, sort of stuff. This slides forward as well if you wish. Another little pocket here, which is very good and handy to use. You can put cold air into here with this, basically. This blind will shut all the way if you wish. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Sat nav, stereo, DAB radio, telephone. This is your vehicle, different settings for your vehicle here. Recirculated air, lock, unlock, heated rear window. This turns your volume. This pauses your volume basically. The vehicle's done 10,130 miles. And low mileage. This here the 2005 murdered police constable gives you your list of stations here basically. You can scroll, this scrolls down them as you see, and you go whatever radio station you wish. Oh. Stop start here. I'm here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.